In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe coupon code. To get started, sign in to your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct account before you make any changes, especially if you manage more than one business or workspace. Once you're logged in, head to the product catalog area, and from there, open the coupon section. This is where Stripe lets you create and manage discount offers for your customers. When you're in the coupon section, click Create Coupon. This will open the setup page where you can define how your discount works. First, enter a name for the coupon. Choose something clear and recognizable, because this helps you identify it later inside your dashboard. A simple, descriptive name is usually best, especially if you plan to create multiple promotions over time. Next, you'll have the option to enter a custom ID. This step is optional, so if you already have a naming system for promotions, you can use it here. If not, you can simply leave this field blank, and Stripe will automatically generate one for you. That's often the easiest choice if you don't need a specific internal code. After that, choose the coupon type. You'll typically decide between a percentage discount or a fixed amount discount. A percentage discount works well for flexible promotions, while a fixed amount can be useful when you want to offer a specific value off a purchase. Once you've selected the type, enter the discount value. Then, take a moment to configure any optional settings that apply to your promotion. For example, you can choose whether the coupon applies to specific products, set the duration of the discount, and define redemption limits. These settings are important because they help you control exactly how and when the coupon can be used. Before saving anything, carefully review all of the coupon details. This is a good time to double-check the name, discount type, value, and any restrictions you added. A quick review can help prevent mistakes and make sure the promotion behaves the way you expect. When everything looks correct, click Create Coupon to save it. Stripe will then add the coupon to your account, and it will be ready for use based on the settings you selected. That's all it takes to create a coupon code in Stripe. If you're setting up a promotion for customers, taking a few extra seconds to review the details can make the process much smoother. Thanks for watching.